चलो I think we are live, but I think शाश्वत आ रहा है तो you know let me just check YouTube पे also इस stream में कोड ज़्यादा करेंगे. I'm not gonna talk much and no music, no nothing, just maybe like तुम लोग इस stream के लिए lo-fi या कुछ लगा दूंगा, but like otherwise we're live. Also, whoa. Oh, I think I've started seeing this. Yeah, okay. Torso के founder. Anyway, let's put this. Where is lo-fi? बढ़िया. ठीक है. Oh, okay. I think title already has theme, correct? Color theme for Neon. So the way I'm going about this, I don't know how to make a color theme. तो अभी के लिए बस एक थोड़ा repository वगैरह setup करा है. It's like this is there, but I'm going to use cursor to basically help me understand an existing color theme जो है, इस कैसे बनाते हैं, क्या क्या करना है, and what not. तो that's how I'm gonna go about it. Let's see. और एक चीज़ पता चल गई by the way. एक तो I'm gonna be looking into this code base with test nvim. This is the theme I'm currently using over here. If you, yeah, I'm using color scheme here. So that's there. Yeah, and इसमें they're using color buddy, which is by your one and only TJ, I believe. Yeah, there you go. TJ. Dependency book. Color buddy is basically what helps you make color things easily for nearby mapping. So भाई, तो you know we will just learn how to make it and whatnot. चलो, मैं आप coding start कर. इसमें lo-fi लगा देते हैं. I'm not streamed in a while also. So yeah. ये डाल दिया. Okay. This you can come here. Okay. Also, I think, do I go on mute? Is my question. You know, like, do I like go on mute? But keyboard के आवाज आएगी, right? चलो, anyway, I'll not listen to music myself. It's fine. K from Twitter told me to code in silence, so I'm gonna do what he says. Yeah. Anyway. Lua line is a status line plugin written for NeoVim. It is primarily written in Lua. Its goal is to provide an easy to customize and fast status line. The idea is we will try our best to provide same defaults, also a way to override the default. I think status line is this part, right? So Lua line. I think when I do color scheme, I think this is the status line other part. Anyway, so I've told cursor, ज़्यादा भी कुछ करा नहीं, इस पे दो ही messages मारे. One is कि, yeah, goes to the code base. I'm going to be making blah blah blah. Help me understand where. So it went through all this and ये बता रहा है कि like what all things are there. Yeah. So okay, let's actually read through this first. Project structure, entry point that loads the theme, this part, ठीक है. So we should have this here. Is it COLOURS? No. हाँ, तो I believe colors is a special name for NeoVim के end से, मतलब उनके जो code में है, I think there's like it looks for a colors folder in whatever you're using, and उसमें file में it'll take the file name as the theme, and then over here this is the entry point. It is going to load which part? This part. Wow. Yeah. Bangalore meetups, by the way. इस पे भी हम चीजें करेंगे. Yeah. Lua, right? Lua में चाय में जाके ये basically load करेगा जो अभी खाली है. तो yeah. And Lua line, this was there. तो let's see. I think this is what when you do color scheme. इधर चाय करके आ जाएगा. Let's see. कहाँ main theme implementation, color definitions. We should make that. Lua में जाके the palette dot Lua. Okay. Main theme setup and configuration. Plugin specific themes customizations. Do they have it here? Um, they do have it here. Interesting. Plugins में क्या है? Oh, okay. Telescope and all right. Okay. Yeah, makes sense. ठीक है. Also, no, by the way, I've not like slept properly in a while. So, you know, just letting you all know what is buffer line by the way. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Okay. Depreciated will remove this later. ओके ठीक है प्लगइन्स का फोल्डर बन गया एडिशनल थीम फीचर्स लोअर लाइन स्टेटस बार थीम इंटीग्रेशन उस स्टेटस बार को कलर देने के लिए ओके मे बी लेट्स सी key components let me check the file to understand now let me check the main theme based on my analysis let's okay theme architecture the theme uses colorbuddy.nvim as its foundation color management to be it's organized in a modular way with separate files for different components okay the theme supports both dark mode and has thicker defines two main color collections colors base color and then themes okay okay makes sense so where is this what features में तो नहीं था plugins wait we have colors over here and then we have themes which is over here right oh but this is palette.ua my bad I'm stupid local M mentioned so I think nvim में what happens is कि when you make a plugin it's like a module right so it's just convention to declare it like this and then उसके ऊपर you add in what you want m dot setup करके you can make functions m dot init and all these things this is just basically your normal objects जो तुम create कर रहे हो but if you go to init.lua I believe you should have like a m dot load and all these things and then if you want to pass in ops from the user then they can do it through these functions basically so you can give the option to extend that and look at them colors आ गया ivory themes okay okay nice comment string and all these things actually 1 second okay yeah okay so yeah this here no base color is black white and then variations which is good then we have themes which is semantic color for different code elements okay primary foreground comment punctuation grid colors the theme is a consistent color palette with carefully chosen colors for different media transparent background support plugin integrations customizable through setup options support for italic and comments float window ठीक है that's fine diagnostic virtual text background options oh that's interesting so is it like just lol like this part interesting but, okay highlight groups the theme defines several highlight groups for different where are these groups highlight groups ke jagah is it in util set.hl that is not in where is this the theme defines several highlight groups for different code elements where can you find them is it here terminal inactive replace visual command, insert, normal. Okay, that's for Lua line. Oh yeah, I think Lua line is this part only. Like if you do these things, so like all of this is Lua line essentially, right? Yeah, okay, that's fine. But where are the? अबे कहाँ गया? Boss. हाँ. Okay. Can I not click over here? Oh, there you are. Oh, init.lua में ही है. Oh, बढ़िया bro. Okay. So m dot setup में user options table में convert कर I think. Okay. That's setup. This is load. Only need to clear when not the default color scheme. Okay. If function exists. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, there you go. M dot color. Dot colors. All these things. Mm-hmm. There you go. Up somewhere. So these are all colors that we're registering. Okay, and these are all groups जो हम कर रहे हैं. So I think we have to go here. Mm-hmm. But how do you use it? Like group में है तो कैसे है? Okay. Basic syntax, UI elements, diagnostic, special elements, nice. Plugin support, the theme includes specific styling for popular, yeah. Customizations, users can customize the theme according to the setup function, yeah. Use color buddy for color management, ठीक है. Start by defining a color palette, similar to palette.lua. Okay. Provide a customization, ठीक है. What is the colors folder doing? Yeah, that's a good question. The colors folder is a special directory in nvim that follows Vim's runtime path convention. When nvim starts up, it looks for color schemes in this directory. The कौन अपने duck के साथ खेल रहा है ये? Okay, dude, my god. Great. What's happening? Anyway, has Shashwat come into the stream? Oh my god! Oh my god! Yeah, dude, there's nvim and cursor. Hell yeah, we're doing like all of it. Dude, when did you come? Crazy. Crazy. Isn't your interview in like an hour, by the way? Anyway. Don't worry, I'm gonna code in nvim only. That's like, ये चल रहा है. बस ये सीखने के लिए cursor निकाला हुआ है. तो, yeah. Yeah. Colors folder is a special directory in nvim that follows Vin's runtime path convention. When nvim starts up, it looks for okay. The name of the file becomes the name of the color scheme that you can use with the color scheme command. So you understand? Okay, got it. So for us, what do you mean? It's good for asking questions, dude. I'm still coding in nvim, so that's there. This is gonna be my color scheme, by the way. So yeah, this was the quote unquote banger, whatever. अगर होगा मतलब इसका देखते हैं. So Lua line तो करना है. This is main. Over here we need to start setting up things. Okay. I mean, you're probably prepared. That's what I'm taking from this. How did you even know Steam चल रहा है, by the way? In this case, it requires the call load function from the main theme module. Dude, by the way, like, if you've actually done like interview stuff and all, you wanna know how like nvim actually does plugin stuff, because like it's actually pretty interesting. A lot of your जैसे Next.js में file based routing होता है, right? Like you can make an API folder in Next.js, and that's like specifically for Next.js. So Lua does the same. nvim does the same thing. Like it's supposed to have like a colors. It's a special name. Lua करके special name है जहाँ पे you make these things. So thank you. Oh yeah. I mean, just because you're a subscriber, I wouldn't expect you to have like stuff on. So this was some plugin I made back to make like React snippets. उसमें you're supposed to have like a Lua folder जिसके अंदर you have your main plugin का नाम जो तुम्हें रखना है. So if you go here, you get like this is your entry point init.lua. But otherwise, if you have to use it over here, कहाँ गया? Yeah, this is what you'll have to do. कि like require this and this जो require आ रहा है, this is from the main module जो है lua/rfc में. So that's what we're doing here essentially. I really like would love to like sleep early tonight. So मेरा दिमाग just like हिला हुआ है. Anyway, this required thing, yeah, that's the same thing. This is taking from here. This try. Okay, so this part is done. I think we can focus more on this part. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, dude, I'm learning it myself. Like I'm going to see कि कैसा होएगा ये. So let's see. It just ठीक है. When you run this, blah blah blah. Are you actually prepared for your interview? I'm genuinely scared now. In this case, it calls. Okay. Runtime path convention. It follows Vim standard runtime path structure, making the theme discoverable by nvim. Provides a clean structure. Blah blah blah. Okay. This is why in the README users can simply do. That's in the README. Where is it in the README? I am prepared. Hell yeah. Good. Then we can chill. Where is it in the README, bro? Okay. Oh, there you go. Okay. So that's the thing with NeoVim, no? इसमें color scheme करके, this will tell you the current color scheme and this will give you options of like all other color schemes. So I think I'm using Tokyo Night. I was using Tokyo Night पहले. Now I'm using Vitesse ये जो है. तो अपना will basically do something like चाय करके. So yeah. Okay. In that file require you load. Put your actual theme code in the Lua folder. Done. Okay. ठीक है. So what are we using in it? Palette से हम themes और colors लेकर आ रहे हैं. So we open this. अबे खुल जा. Why is it not opening in a new tab? Yeah. There we go. Okay, so we have local M colors and themes. That's it. That's all we're doing. Okay. So I do have a doc for this. Yeah. I do have a doc for this. There you go. I don't even remember when I wrote this, but okay. Yeah, I'm basically mimicking this. If you don't know who this guy is, Chai with code, Chai or code. So he made it for VS Code, and I want to make something for NeoVim. So I was like, ठीक है, इसके basis पे करते हैं. The question is, there you go. How do I put in themes? There you go. Let's go. तेरी इतना सब नहीं चाहिए, bro. Holy shit. Does VS Code have a lot more things that we don't? Okay, this part so we can do with color buddy. That's fine. Damn, dude, it's not easy to make a color scheme for VS Code. मैं इतना सब नहीं करने वाला. Holy shit. ठीक है. Okay, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna give this to this thing. This is the JSON for a VS Code light theme color scheme. If I have to use this under palettes. Palette की spelling क्या होती है? How would that look like? So तब you can just local M. No, it's not M, dude. I'm gonna return this module. So that's how it works. M dot colors एक था, and then we had M dot themes, right? Is that what we had? Yeah, yeah. Okay. Oh, भाई इतने सारी चीज़ें actually नहीं चल रही. Got that. Got that. I can remove that. Or background music is too high, sir. Yeah, he's the one who called his course pirate, right? I zero idea. It is high? I thought come on. I'm also not speaking that loud. मतलब, like I just want to focus and like chill. Even like when you said कि like you don't listen to music and code, मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. Like I've not put in मेरे headphones पे चल रहा है, but it's only for the stream. अब ठीक है क्या? Right. Did you tweet that I'm streaming? Okay. Oh, तेरी. Dude, I swear the bottle was gonna fall. Like, अब ठीक है ना? चलो great. Yeah. भाई, this is not gonna be like the normal, ADHD kind of stream. I'm actually trying to focus right now because like this has been pending for 2 weeks. कहाँ? Where is StreamYard? It has been pending for like 2 weeks, and like मेरे को आज खत्म करना है so I can launch on like Peerless tomorrow, and like I just want to get on Peerless का top 5 for some project कभी तो let's see how it happens. तो ठीक है. Anyway, where were we? Yeah. Why are there so many grays? यहाँ पे grey है क्या? There is no grey here, though. Okay. कल आ कहाँ से है? 383. No, where is it? अबे. Good to know. Is it the same one? ठीक है. So let's give the dark one also, no? Meanwhile. इसमें dark थी. अबे ये बीच में चला जाता है ना. Where is the light theme? What? Okay, there it is. Right? What just happened? The themes. Okay. Isn't there like a light theme and dark theme in Vitesse? There is themes over here. Yeah. Dude, actually, how will we do like light theme and dark theme इसमें? Oh my god, Anish, what's up? भाई, this is probably like the highest stream count I've ever had. ठीक है, with Shashwat not on here. So, where is Shashwat? Let me just text him. भाई. Oh, he's not free right now. It's fine. It's fine. Chal. Where is Vitesse? Okay. Have light and dark theme. I don't think it does, right? Yeah. Okay, so we'll code with one. We'll also start off with the dark theme, and then see how to add in a light theme. I had taken some other code base का reference. I'm forgetting. I think Tokyo Night ही था. Oh no, Cat Kitchen. Neon. Yeah. So these guys have done like caching and all तुम्हारे file system पे. तो इस पे not here. By the way, colors, that same colors folder, yeah, makes sense now, doesn't it? So these guys have done like things for both Vim and NeoVim. जहाँ पे you basically कहाँ गया? You're basically checking if it's Vim or not Vim, and उसके basis पे you're doing like some configuration and whatnot. But the question is, where is the theme वाला part? Kitty, crazy, crazy. Init not local. ये तो अभी देखना पड़ेगा. Are this the same as like color groups जो था? Yeah, except they've not used that color body, underline, bold. Yeah, dude, it's also crazy how much goes into like making a color scheme. Because like, who cares about comments? But then you have to like give them a different color, you know? Like crazy. Okay, anyway, I don't think यहाँ पे है, but they have like some theme का theme. Was it here? No. Yeah, तो भी was it here? No, it was somewhere. I'll find it later. It's fine. ठीक है. भाई तुम लोग बताओ क्या हाल चाल है? You are using Lua. Yeah. Okay, bro. Wait, what the hell is happening? That's cow? Cap? What? Highest stream for you was 18 live. नहीं भाई 18 कभी नहीं था. What? Yeah. बताओ भाई मतलब why are you asking to share? Just share. Also, Anish is my friend from college. To Krish, that's like context there. And yeah. Bhai, what is happening over here? Oh my god. Okay. So we need to set like a deadline कि like कब तक we need to see like a version 1. like इस पे मेरे को चला के देखना कि वो color theme लग रहा है कि नहीं. Where is this thing? How to add a light theme later. Yeah, we'll start with that. So I don't think we need all these variations, or do we? You know what I mean? ये बस JSON इतना बड़ा निकल जाए ना. So we're just a lower line. We don't need that. Okay. We have colors over here. We have foreground. We have background. Okay. Okay, we can work with this. Let's go. ठीक है. You don't need this stuff. You don't need that. That. इसको हटाओ. इसको हटाओ. What is missing? Is that not how you do themes in Neovan? Where is this? What is equal to? Oh, Krish, I don't know how much you've done NeoVim stuff, but like if you've done macros and all. For example, if I do QW, you see this recording thing? It starts recording a macro. So what I do is I can go to the colon, I can delete that, I can go into insert mode, space, and then is equal to, escape, go back, and go down. And that's my macro. Now if I press @W, boom. It recorded that action and did it for me for that particular line of text. Yeah, very simple macro, but like, did you see that? Rollout version 1 by tomorrow, or you? How do I start this? How do I unstart it? Because why did I start it in the first place? I got assigned for a massive project to do solo. Let's go. If I do this, I will have hell yeah. A bit hard. Let's go, bro. अबे चले जा. हाँ. Hell yeah. कौन सा project बात है? काम का कि like what? भाई this. Oh, I can show this क्या? Why am I showing this on a public stream that's going to be there? Okay, moving on to actual stuff. Editor line number, foreground, whatever. This is a lot of stuff for VS Code, dude. No wonder it's a pain to make like stuff for nvim करो VS Code in general. I'm so nvim brained कि like VS Code बोलते ही मेरे दिमाग से nvim निकल जाता है. Okay, so we have this sorted, right? Also, Krish, help me understand what exactly is foreground. Yeah. Oh yeah. 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 That's gonna happen. But not a lot of people will watch this stream. So like, you know, I was also thinking to stream MCP last weekend, but वो नहीं हुआ. So let's see मतलब how that goes. Whatever. Editor group. I don't think I need all these. ये तो main colors. What other color do we need? You know. Um. So. Start with the dark theme is a good way to go. Let me help you understand how to structure a dark theme based on the VS Code theme you provided. So we got these things right. I think we not background or foreground Kabi. Oh what? This will not come over here. Why? Where is background foreground? BEC वाला है ही नहीं है. Why will this come in themes? Okay. What's the logic of some colors in themes and some colors in colors? Yeah. Personal project. I made some huge progress on Unity project. Let's go. We'll do some more tomorrow. ठीक है? Hell yeah, bro. Mod games with Cupid. बढ़िया भाई. Hell yeah. Big win. तो यूनिटी के बाद सीधा मतलब अभी स्टार्टिंग में स्टार्ट कर रही है फुल स्टैक वाला. Yeah. Okay. What is the logic वाला question? Looking at the code. Okay, you can see how the color separation works. Member colors are used for basic UI elements that need consistent coloring, building blocks for other colors. Black pen are used for different UI levels of UI elements. M.theme refers semantic highlighting. UI state colors. Oh, okay. That somewhat makes sense. Yeah, got it. Put colors if they are base colors used across multiple colors that may be reused or derived. Color defines that. Okay. Put colors in m.themes if they are. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna have to like faffo around with this. Where is this part? See, primary over here we are. Why would you repeat it? You know? Like why repeat it? Secondary foreground, active foreground with active text, the background. Okay, let's see. I know there's so many grays. इतने सारे heavy colors. Where is this part? Yeah, I agree. Okay. Yeah. Oh, dude, wait. Can I reply to this? No. Put user in timeout, ban user and delete their comments. Delete. Uh, wait for my course. 499. Yeah. Imagine asking for a merge stack course on a Lua stream. Okay, wait. Where is this? I want to check this color. कहाँ पे आ रहा है ये? Not that. Oh, we do have it. Okay. A bit weird. Also, Jason, thing is off. Okay. Button and all. Oh, that's the thing with nvim, right? It's not like it's a button वगैरह है ही नहीं. So it's both good because you have like inbuilt styling things required already, as compared to nvim where you have to like kind of do it by yourself. It's pretty cool. Tab, web, all this is great. Editor, suggest widget. How do I need like a video of this. You know what I mean? Is there like a video? Yeah. There you go. Okay, now how do I actually like use this? Uh, okay. Is this there? I'm guessing it should be there. Main background. Editor gutter. VS Code, am I right? VS Code mentioned, dude. But okay, why is this? What's an editor gutter? Abbe. Oh, it's like a thing? What? What? Okay. Uh, what on earth? Abbe, is an editor gutter? Yeah. खतरनाक बेचो भाई. What is your review for what? Search for a bar? किसका review? कैसे हो श्री राम? You know Hanuman ji also asked that. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? That was so out of the blue. But ठीक है. Where is the editor gutter? Yeah. Is the area on the left side of the editor that typically contains the line numbers. Oh, this part. This is called a gutter. Why is that called a gutter of all things? A git indicator and other markers. Let me show an example of VS Code theme. Okay. This part is the gutter. Wow. Crazy. The gutter is handled by several highlight groups in nvim. Oh, do we have that over here? In it, no? What is it? Line number. Oh, we do have. But we don't call it gutter in nvim because we're not psychopaths. What the hell, dude? Okay. For example, we're testing the defined as God. No. Where is this thing? Let's get these here. Does it make sense to? Gray. Okay. Give me this part. Let's put it here. Am I vibe coding, dude? Is this vibe coding? What is this issue? Trailing white space line with spaces only. नहीं चाहिए तो. I want it. Whoa. Yeah. Also, dude, I really like these comment thing that's come up. Like even like JS docs may keep doing like this wala thing. कहाँ गया? Yeah. Like JS docs may do something like this, right? I think there's two over here. And then you do like at param or something. I think the same thing you can do in Lua usme. You do like at param. And then whatever you want to write. I don't know. It's just nice. You know, it's just nice, dude. Okay, ये हटाओ, done. Okay, we have our base colors, we have our grays, we have our theme colors, which is good. Primary that mentioned color for some reason. Text colors are there. Okay. Ignored. I have some jokes which I'm not gonna make. We have our background colors. Okay, why do we have borders? I don't understand. Comment variable, all your got it. I'm sure there's like but tomorrow I will be working on my project. Hell yeah. Macros hitting me harder? Yeah. Dude, there have been so many macros I've done which are like क्या कर सकते हैं इसमें? And they just come to you, you know. There's like you can't just like make him up. If you want to make something very stupid, then like just बहुत simple सा. You just start the macro. अबे no, that we don't count that. That's not first try. You start the macro, you go to the first word, you select it, capital U, and then like So now you can do it for like there's 11 lines, right? So if I go here, इधर से कितना दूर है 16. So if I go 16 at W, एक और at W, it all makes it capital by default. Anyway, there's it's a very simple one though. जब आएगा तो आएगा, you know what I mean? Anyway, comments and all. This is what I want to confirm here. Yeah. Oh my God, Garima, what's up, bro? Hell yeah. Hey, four people at the same time, crazy. Thank you all for joining, man. On a Sunday, I don't know what you guys are doing. Also, Krish, it's 1:45, like 2:30. You know what I mean? Like, settings foreground DC DC. Mm-hmm. Is this where we're getting? Yeah, that's where we are getting that text, which is BEC, which is not here. Where is it? There it is. It's the foreground for text. Okay. There is keyword DF7. Nice, yeah. See, this is what I like about AI. Like, I get to learn this. I don't want to do the stupid job of like all that stuff. But सीखना भी मिल रहा है. Yeah, yeah. करो भाई करो. Code with me stream का नाम और क्या भी. ठीक है. This is done. I'm just cross checking all the colors जो इसमें डाले हैं. Comment हो गया, string हो गया. I think string हो गया, right? Or is it a different string? Bro, how do you name string? There you go. 490 ठीक है. That's great. What about variable? EA4B. Yeah, I think you can take a rough guess like it works. DF7. Yeah, okay, it works. You know, okay, error. Is this there in the Abhiwala? There isn't. Okay, interesting. Added some stuff on its own, which we did not require, but okay. Additional colors. ये तो ऐसे छेपा छापा है. Good. Words are not making sense. Someone's speaking very passionately outside the door. So yeah. Okay, I think we're good to go here. So our palette is ready. I'll just start committing. क्या क्या है? Setup basic structure and add in palette. तो palette में ही है ना? Yeah. Colors. Yeah. Okay, that is done. Git push origin. By the way, old me would you do v1, but I got to know you can do like git push origin head and it'll push to the branch. So yeah, good thing for all of you to know. Chai palette. Yeah. So this is done. I think we're good to go on this. I added the palette. What should be my next step? Yeah, तुम लोग बताओ तुम लोग के साथ क्या चल रहा है? Yeah. That is the gutter part. Okay. This is done. Based on the special button. Next, Lua Chai init.lua theme options with default color system setup, basic highlight groups. Then we implement the core highlight groups in this order. Okay, we're going to create an init.lua file. नहीं भाई तुम मत करो मैं करता हूँ. Okay. Now we go here. What are functions are over here? We're loading these things in, which makes sense. example, chai colors. We do require chai dot palette dot colors, I believe. Yeah. Then small. Colors we can make as themes for the whole line. Yeah, that works. Command and FN. Okay, what are these things? These shorthand aliases for commonly used. We could just do. I don't think that's a difference, but okay. .cmd local but what do they do? What is it? You use VS Code? Nahi, I am typing on nvim. This is cursor where I'm asking it to read the code base and help me how to make a nvim plugin, bro. Because yeah, yeah, yeah. नहीं भाई सिर्फ कर्सर तो बहुत recent bro. Like I tried it last 2 हफ्ते में just to see कि hype क्या है. And it's not bad. But the thing is कि मेरे को तो nvim use करना ही है. But I'm using cursor mainly कुछ particular points समझने वाले code base में I'll ask it कि like जैसे for example if I select this part I go control L तो ये दिख रहा है init.lua 4 to 6 तो मुझसे जब पूछा कि what are these used for तो फिर उसी पर्टिकुलर लाइन को लेके मेरे को आंसर बता देता है तो एक्चुअल कोड यहाँ पे चल रहा है दिस इज मेनली फॉर आस्किंग कि लाइक हाँ भाई आई ऑलवेज यूज न्यूरल एंड इसमें भी मैंने विम मोशंस लगाए हुए हैं इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम यूजिंग VS कोड विद द माउस लाइक साइकोपैथ विम मोशंस आर ऑलवेज देयर सो या anyway is used to execute vim commands the alias is to make shortcut commands okay so let's just boot this up bro cmd startup oh shit Bangalore people would be crazy about this starting color scheme up actually making chai very well yeah is used to call vim functions like what that was harpoon by the way dot function dot oh these things ooh fancy fold level holy shit it's crazy wait why am I yeah used to call vim functions ठीक है समझ गया got it I'll write it down short and for क्या बोलूँ इसे like what do I call it alias for shorter commands calls well ठीक है dude also मेरे को उसका बाद में बताऊंगा बट जो मेंटेनर है वो जो ओपन सोर्स की चीज़ का उसने मेरे को इतना मस्त एडवाइस दिया है लाइक काफ़ी जस्ट लाइक सीखने के उसमें कि क्या चल रहा है तो आई विल शेयर दैट लेटर राइट नाउ लेट्स लॉक इन डूड 2 बजे राइट 3 बजे तक तो स्ट्रीम ही करते हैं फिर देखते क्या करना है फिर बाकी काम करते हैं वी माइट ऑल्सो जस्ट ग्लांस ओवर दिस थिंग या एक बार इसके ऊपर ग्लांस कर लेंगे लाइक बेसिक आइडिया है बट लाइक कोड वाइज कैसे दिखता है थोड़ा वो भी देख लेंगे anyway convenience aliases to make sure ठीक है got it merge operations defaults user operations yeah ops this will be user operation optional whatever local default ops that will be our default ops and इसमें what are we going to add in that's what matters comment italics true do now this is where we start taking either so comments italics are true actually comment italics true what is this transparent background do we want transparent background I don't think we do VS Code में you can't do user options, right? ठीक है fine. Transparent background is equal to blue. भाई crazy. Um, transparent float background. Okay, float background. Just copy this actually. Yeah. What is reverse visual? Transparent float. I don't know. Did it go away? I don't know. What happened? Yeah, very good. Let's come here. Help me understand these default options. Reverse visual क्या है? Dim and see क्या है? What is CMP command line? Telescope तो I know. Diagnostic virtual text background. Makes comments appear italic. Makes the main editor background transparent. Why? I don't want that. Why do I have this? I don't want that. I don't want any transparency right now. Yeah. Like this is what I want to make it look like. ठीक है. Dude, also the thing with this is you have to consider things like file tree and all. Like nvim maybe you can do file tree and all. So अभी तो नहीं है, but like if you're using something like shad, what is it called? Shad nv chat, हाँ. तो like थोड़ा ये सब consider करना पड़ेगा. Let's see. Makes floating windows like pop-ups transparent. Oh. Controls whether selected text uses reverse video. What is reverse video? Okay. What does reverse video mean? Controls whether is reverse video. Dimensity controls whether non-current windows are dimmed. Okay. Oh, okay. Something like this कि अगर मेरा ये active window है, this will be dimmed. Actually, I would like that. Let's do that, dude. ठीक है. For nvim CMP, ठीक है. Oh, is this like local, like this वाला thing? Got it. Disable search. ये तो false ही है सारे bro. Okay. Telescope LSPUI. Okay. For nvim's built-in diagnostics, ठीक है. Allows users to override base colors. Allow users to override theme colors. Okay. So this instead of this will be chai colors. Background true. Is background true? Oh, इसमें आ गया. This will be chai themes, I believe. Okay. So this is basically user अपने end से कर सकता है इसके through basically. I think. Or maybe they can pass in the default ops directly. Or let's see. We'll have to like see and find out. So मेरे को नहीं पता. That's what we're doing. We're learning here. Yeah. So default options is done. ठीक है. Local m is equal to color buddy. Let's freaking go. Okay. So what all do we need? Like colors, group styles. Color. Bro, I need to like not keep this over here. Let's keep you here. Let's keep you here. Let's keep you here. Yeah, this now makes sense. ठीक है. Thing is, I might not forget कि मैं stream कर रहा हूँ, तो you know, let's see. I think ये तो we can cut off. But yeah. Colors. What else? we had group, we had groups, and I think we had styles. Here we have to require color body dot init. Yeah, color. Okay. Whoa. Hey, why is it so late? This could be a macro. This is done. M dot setup and M dot load चाहिए, right? Function M dot setup and then we require M dot load. Great. Okay, load में a lot of stuff we're going to do, which is great. Wow. And then I'm going to return this. ब्रो ये तो हो गया, फिर तो बन ही गया ब्रो कलर स्कीम. तो 3 घंटे का काम था नहीं. Okay, let's not get distracted. सेटअप में क्या कर रहे हैं? Setup में passing in the user options. Great. What then happens? Okay, so either it's user ops or empty, because what if they don't pass in the thing, right? What is this? Redefine local. Isn't that what we're supposed to do? No. Oh, ops, user ops. Oh. Okay, so let's call it, okay, I get it. Let's call this ops. Let's call this user ops. Makes sense. User ops is equal to this or this. Okay. Yeah, this is what we're going to start asking. What's happening in the setup function, especially the table extending part. जब तक वो करता है, let's do vim dot table extend merges 2 or more tables. So, okay, if we're merging 2 tables, that means we want to basically do something like ops and user ops. That is not how you extend a table. 2 or more tables. Okay. Decides what to do for key is found in more than one map. Raise an error. Use value from the leftmost map. Use value from the rightmost map. Interesting. So if I'm passing in my default, got it. This is what I would want to do. अब जो दूसरे बंदे ने करा, I have no idea. But I want to force the change because I will pass in my default ops here and the user ops here. Right? Let's see what the guy did. Let's go. First try. ठीक है. So table extend merges the 2 tables. We didn't even need to. We did not need cursor for that. nvim docs for the win. Okay. So ये हो गया. What else is there? We test colors and we test themes. Child colors equal to vim dot table extends force this stuff. We're gonna say our stuff pehle. What's gonna go on the right side? Teams. Teams. What is going to go there? Is it going to be ops? Oh, it is going to be ops. Okay. Crazy. Ops dot teams. Hell yeah. Okay. Default user options. Nice. So yeah, this is a table in Lua. It's great. Lua. Okay, so setup तो हो गया. I was taking too less space. इसको तो ला सकते हो थोड़ा. ठीक है. That the users can call. The plugin's main functionality, like load, in this case, is called separately. Oh, right. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, no, that was not what I wanted. I want to do this. I go here. Config nvim. nvim में plugins. Setup. Yeah, there you go. So this is what got. So जब हम m return कर रहे हैं, they can do m dot setup अपने end पे, but they will do something like this: local chai is equal to required chai, and then chai dot setup. There you go. Setup आ गया already. Setup आ गया. And if I do load, that should take yeah. In fact, chai dot all सब आएगा. Nice. Chai dot setup में, then they can pass in their user options, which in this case would be like colors. ये है. Yeah. Nice. Got it. ठीक है. तो load function कहाँ पे कॉल करते हैं? Yes. vim dot command color scheme chai. Later when they want to actually use it, they can do it like that. The load function then applies. Okay. The color scheme command is what actually triggers the theme to load. When you do color scheme chai, nvim looks for colors/chai.lua. Executes that file. Oh, okay. Bhai, कहाँ गया? Got it. Makes sense. Nice, yeah. Pretty cool. ठीक है. The load function then applies all the colors and highlights. So the sequences, yeah, got it. Separation of configuration setup is a common pattern in nvim plugin. If vim.g.colors name, then high clear. What? What's happening? Hey, I wouldn't mind chai. Another. Chai to क्या scene है? Is what I want to know. So yeah. What is the scene with chai? ठीक है। फाइन, बाद में बना लेंगे। What's happening here? The code is checking if there is already a color scheme active before clearing the current highlights. Okay. Vim dot is a global variable name that sets the name of the current active color scheme. Okay. So you're telling me I can go vim dot um, lua vim dot g dot colors name. Okay, that did not work as expected. Oh yeah. It's because I'm not printing it, no. Print. Hell yeah. Got it. So if vim dot g dot colors name अगर है then we clear it. Okay. And what is it? Vim dot clear. No. Command dot clear. What was the thing? Vim dot command. But didn't we already do command just for this? नहीं. You know, यहाँ पे हम सेट कर देते हैं. What's the point of doing an alias when I am using vim dot cmd? Again here. The actual small inconsistency in the code. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Then if function dot exists syntax on. Okay. What's happening here? इसका PR खोल लूँ. Yeah. Checks if the syntax on variable exists in Vim. The variable is set when syntax highlighting is enabled. If it exists, syntax reset is run to reset all syntax highlighting rules. Oh, okay. So इसको end में डाल देते हैं. Command syntax reset. So technically I can do lua print vim dot function dot exists syntax on. Oh, 1. Does 1 mean boolean, no? Nice. What is issue then, bro? Vim dot g dot colors name gives the current global color scheme. Is that what it was? Global variable name that sets the gives the current color scheme. High clear. What is high clear? Is a vim command that clears all current highlight definitions. Vim command to clear all highlight definitions. ठीक है. This is checking if syntax highlighting is on. Highlighting is on. If it is, then we set it. And then we put in vim.g.colors name as chai. Let's go. ठीक है, ये हो गया. Am I missing anything? Let's go check this. नहीं ठीक है. हम्म ठीक है. अब इसको लोकली हम डिफाइन कर रहे हैं. ओ मैक्रो टाइम. इसको हटाओ. मैक्रो टाइम. Okay, how can we do this into that actually? Yeah. Copy करो इसको. डालो इसको. QW W local boom. क्या है syntax? M dot color. To dot F dot delete M dot. I think that's it. So now we can do add W. Yeah. Global variable name. Did you miss local or misspell it? नहीं भाई. Local तो सही लिखा है. Global variable name in lowercase initial. What you are high on, dude? What? Why did that happen? Oh, yeah. Done. Just cut it out. Yeah, X. There you go. Let's go. Color.new BG. Okay, now we're setting in color themes. Setting the colors. Color.new. Background के लिए we want chai colors dot black, right? Oh no. Background. Right. पहले में हमारे पास यहाँ पे I don't see a background here. Did we miss it? इसके उसमें होगा. नहीं है. What? Hold up. Themes ना. हाँ अपनी बेवकूफ है. Chai themes. Okay, background का done. What is next? Color.new black. That's what. Black. Yes. Chai colors. What black? Oh, can I do something like this? Let's go. Okay. This is for when later K sees it. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. How are we gonna do this? थोड़ा सोचने दो. We have to first try this. कैसे? I think I have an idea. We're gonna first copy this. ठीक है? We're gonna shift over here. No, it's not. Macro नहीं चल रहा है. Bro, QW. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna do that. We're gonna shift W. We're gonna copy this. Come back. We're gonna paste it here. We're gonna delete that. Copy this. Go one word back. Yank it. Go ऊपर. CI. Escape. Paste. No. गलत हो गया. ठीक है. Let's see. We can do this. QW. 1 second. भाई. Okay. QW. ठीक है. We're gonna shift over here. We're going to copy it in this part, yank that here, come back, paste. That is not how I wanted to paste it. Operation paste. We're gonna come here. We're gonna boom, boom, yank. We're gonna come here. We're gonna boom. Arey yaar. We're gonna do this. We're gonna come down. We're gonna now yank this. We're gonna boom, escape, paste. Yes. F dot paste, and then boom. I think that will. Okay, let's see. तो I don't think काम करेगा. At W kind of did, not bad. Oh, I think shift W में उसने अपना वो miss out कर दिया. ठीक है, it's fine. We can just like जल्दी से खत्म करो फाइल. Grey1 इस पे मैक्रो मार सकते हैं. अब तो चलो ठीक है. Grey2 हो जा भाई. Grey3 6 ठीक है. कलर्स हो गया. प्राइमरी. So that's what we're calling it. Color.new primary. Now are we taking this from the theme or theme? Themes dot primary. Great. Base foreground, active foreground, secondary foreground. I'm gonna write this. I want to write this. Base foreground, active foreground, secondary foreground. Foreground. Base foreground. Active foreground. Secondary. Damn, finally. Crazy. Okay. Bhai, what group? Okay. Guess ये ऐड कर सकते हैं. Oh, oh, nice. Okay. Colors with none. Okay. Colors are common, colors are none. Now start. Now will this be ops to user ops? No. No, you can global. So, undefined global. What do you mean? A group, okay. Hmm. इसमें स्ट्रिंग है इसमें भी वेरिएबल कीवर्ड नंबर भूल गया क्या मिस कर दिया no, no. ठीक है। और यहाँ पे हम कलर वापस ऐड कर रहे हैं, तो ये पहले क्यों नहीं कर सकते थे ब्रो? ओह ओके। Oh, wait a second. So I can just do this here. Error warning info hint. And then we want escape groups also. Sure. I think this part we can just add in directly so the value. And then this part. This will be color now. नहीं उसमें यहाँ पर डालना है। Themes ठीक है। Yeah, that makes sense. This will be capital. Let's go. Local normal. Okay, just normal variable declaration. Local normal is equal to foreground background NC. What does NC stand for? Non-current. Okay. Space low. ठीक है। So we have foreground, we have background, we have non-current background, and then we have float background, right? Yeah. Foreground, base color start, base background, color start, low active background. Was it this or was it just low background? Oh, base foreground. Okay. Yeah. We'll start low background. This is done. अगर ट्रांसपेरेंट बैकग्राउंड है, so transparent background, then normal dot background is equal to colors dot null. Okay. Same thing here. If and use local normal. What do you mean by? सही तो है. Um, transparent flow background. No, what can do? This would be normal dot transparent float background is equal to colors dot null. And if is there an extra end? Is that what's not taking it? Dimension normal dot nc bg is equal to ops dot dimension colors dot secondary foreground. Secondary foreground. ठीक है. This is done. भाई कितना बचा? My God. My God. Wow. उसके बाद प्लगइन्स भी करना है. प्लगइन्स I'll do स्ट्रीम के बाद में. अभी इसको खत्म करते हैं इस ग्रुप्स वाले पार्ट को. Normal non-current text means non-focused window text. Okay. Non-focused window text. Nice. इनसी फोरग्राउंड तो है ही नहीं भाई. कहाँ से लेकर आ रहे हो तुम ये चीजें? कोई फोरग्राउंड है, बैकग्राउंड नहीं. ब्रो नहीं मैं सोच group dot new normal dot foreground and then normal dot background. And that's what you need. Foreground, background, style. Normal non-current जिसमें normal dot nc foreground आएगा और background अपना same रहेगा. This will be normal float. This will be groups dot normal over here. Okay. And then normal dot float background. Yes, makes sense. P menu, pop-up menu. Okay. Pop-up menu. Group dot new. P menu. Group dot normal. Okay. Pop-up menu normal item. This is selection. Selected. ठीक है. Oh, that is not that. I'm making a link. What does a link do? Making कोई description नहीं है. Okay. Group dot new. Menu cell. Colors dot active. Background. Normal dot style. S bar. S thumb. Oh, that's why I needed different color blacks. Got it. ठीक है. These are the small things we don't really care about them right now. Colors करते हैं. Minimalist bar. What should be colors? No. Colors none. Style stickers. Colors none. This should be colors none. That's good. Be nice for this float. What do we see in effective? Oh. Breaking changes. Okay, good. Okay, good stream. I think I will end over here. Oh my god, Anj, wait, कब आया यार तुम लोग? Can you hear this kit kit of keyboard? Have you paid for cursor or it's free? Free अभी तो free है. 237 bro, crazy. चलो, stream end करते हैं. Almost 2 hours, not bad. But I think हर टीम का basic idea मिल गया. इसको I'll do off stream and then see कैसा चलता है. चलो. स्ट्रीम ऑफ कर रहा है. हाँ. ओ तो अभी भी इधर है. अभी तो चलो भाई 2 घंटे से ऑलमोस्ट चल रहा है. तो इसको ऑफ स्ट्रीम करके मेरे को कल तक बेसिकली एटलीस्ट इसका V1 लॉन्च करना है. तो उसके हिसाब से देखते हैं. ठीक है, चल फिर आराम से डिस्कॉर्ड वगैरह पे बात करते हैं. चलो, बाय बाय.